Today we're making chickpea salad, and I have my two cousins to help me. Cass and Nasir, say hi.
Hi.
Let's get started. So we have our chickpeas, and now we're gonna add cucumbers, tomatoes, and red onions.
Wow! First try. Your turn. Go. That is so good. Yeah.
Now we're gonna cut up some cilantro.
Yeah.
Slice, 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 slice.
Can I try?
I'll do it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Put this in there. Now we're gonna add the ingredients that we just chopped into the bowl. Now we're gonna add salt, oregano, and pepper.
Action.
Now we're gonna squeeze half a lemon.
I want lemon juice.
That's freshly squeezed lemon. And now we're going to pour it. Now we're going to add some olive oil and some feta cheese. Now we're going to mix it up.
Smells delicious.
It's delicious. This is my amazing chickpea salad. This is good.
Yeah, this is good.
Thank you for watching Living with Zoe. Please subscribe and hit that bell so you know when we do another video.